This cosplay seminar has been pretty incredible.
This has been really, really fun. I've learned so much that I wish that I had known 10 years ago.
Just in the one day, all of the techniques we covered, it took me like 3 years to learn on my own.
It was great. Learned a lot about materials I wouldn't have thought about using before. Got to experiment with a lot of products that I've only seen videos of in like YouTube and I've gotten to actually like have hands-on experience like working with the products that I see all these like big cosplayers working with. I'm impressed with how much information that was packed into it, but it didn't feel overwhelming at all.
They've done such a great job with the seminar. What I really appreciate is that everything has been super easy to follow. The instruction has been clear and informative.
For all of my experience, I've actually been learning a lot of new products that I haven't used before, new techniques that I can add into my cosplays.
So I've been loving it. It's a lot in just 2 days. It's like a crash course in so many techniques, but it does give a really good overview of a lot of the different things you might use if you're putting together a prop or a costume.
Come with questions. Any questions you will get answers to. The staff here is so knowledgeable, you can talk through it. We'll probably even learn techniques that could benefit that next project. If you're looking to get into cosplaying, I feel like this is a very good like branch off point to like learning how these products work. Again, you get like that hands-on experience.
Really informative, getting to learn all the different materials, getting to learn the applications, and then the materials that we get to take home that have all the additional information to keep learning. So this is going to really up my game.
This is going to teach you how to make costumes that are durable, and I know it's definitely going to up my game considerably.
Just come. You'll be surrounded by people who know what they're doing. Their whole goal here is to get you comfortable and happy with the product and with the technique, and to not be intimidated by opening up the materials and actually using them. So if you go in with the confidence of, hey, I did this in a fun setting, and I learned a lot. I think that can really take those barriers away. And so just come for 2 fun days of meeting other makers and doing some really fun projects with some new materials.
This place is spectacular. We've been here for a couple of days. We just got to tour the facility, and it is one of the most inspiring places I've ever been. The room is, you can see, filled with cool things that people have made by a lot of the people in this room. And yeah, that's it. I just, the kind of place where you leave feeling incredibly inspired. I want to go home and make more stuff.